How to fix Facebook Messenger can't open messages. So if you can't open the messages in your Messenger, this video is gonna help you. First thing, open the settings and then go to the apps. When you open the apps on this page, as you can see, you will find so many apps that you have on your mobile. Search for Messenger and click on it, then click on force stop, and then go to the storage, click on clear cache. As you can see, I'm already cleared the cache. So now click on permissions, make sure that everything is enabled because this is important step. And last thing you want to do is turn off your phone and turn it on again. If the problem is not solved yet, then you may have to change the network that you are connected to. Don't forget to like and subscribe.